show you how to do.
Alright, so to do the fling move, really easy. You're gonna retract the shoulder and protract it. In other words, pull it back and fling it forward. So here you have it. Quite literally from the side it goes. 1, 2, and for a little variation, you can go and pull it back cool and deadly. Pull it back cool and deadly. Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it back cool and deadly. Pull it back. Yeah? So let me do it from the top. We go. Fling.